Again, in the tradition of the last question, which involves roots and radicals, we want to solve this next question, 5.4 in your notes, and again, we shall multiply by the conjugate. So the conjugate, as you recall, is the negative of the denominator. So we would have negative in the root, which is 2 root 3, for the part that's on the right hand side. And of course it must have the 3 root 2. In the denominator, you would have a 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. So you have your conjugate in both numerator and denominator, but you've got to multiply and FOIL the top and bottom. Now that's a little complex. We FOIL the top, you would get 3 root 6 minus 6, because the root 3 by root 3 will give you positive 3. And then you'll take the 2 root 2, multiply to the right, and that gives you positive 12, because the root 2 by root 2 is 2. And then 2 root 2 minus 2 root 3 will give you what? Minus 4 root 6. In the denominator, you have your old friend, difference of squares. Now that will give you 3 times 3, 9, times the root 2's, which is 18, and then minus the 2 root 3's. What would that give you? That would give you minus 12. Now you see how simple that is? What we have to do is tidy up the top, and that would be 6. Take note of the common terms with the root 6, and that is a minus root 6, because 3 take away 4. In the denominator, 18 minus 12 is 6. And that gives you your answer. Now that one's a little trickier, so if you go back and review the video, you'll see all the steps that makes it possible. And that's my answer.